way to apply fusioning on, you will never go wrong with this. Doesn't matter what you can do is diagonal, you can do ash, zigzag look, it doesn't matter. It's going to turn out really cool the way you want it. All right, so hello Tina on Facebook. All right, so now if you want to be darker, absolutely can add darker. You can zoom in a little bit, Mika. And if you are going to be darker, you can add more than just one coat. If you want lighter, you can do one coat and then you go from there. So let it set, and it's set already. So here is the keys. It's going to be your bestie for the fusioning, and then make all your fusioning, your flow is so easy, and it's really like take effortless for you to do all the marble look. So I am going to using, and then make sure you got a piece of paper towel here. We are going to dab it in. So there's a 1,000 of different cool tip and trick. You will, when you start working and playing with this for a couple of times, you're gonna get a hang of it, and you're gonna create your own unique, like a niche way to do your fusioning. Everybody have a really cool different way to doing it. I see all of us in the team and BA team, they all created so many cool different way to do it, and the result is amazing. So I'm gonna do just tap it on the outside toward inside, and then you can repeat it until you're happy with your veins. You want more veins, then tablets, and then I use just each time I use just a little bit of crystal clear. Crystal clear, use little, go a long way. And make sure you clean your bristle before you see that how much, hold on, how much pigment I have it, and I'm gonna wipe it off here, because you do not want to carry that back into your brush and then carry back into your crystal clear. That's why there's a lot of question asked, and why is my fusioning and marble look, it doesn't looks like it's crispy, it doesn't looks like precise, it looks so blur, because it's probably your solution or your crystal clear is already got too much contaminated pigment in there.
Yes, you do not want your crystal clear to be the same color as your fusion ink.
Okay, you have another color. Bam. No. So I'm gonna continue. Then if you get that little troubleshootings off, just wipe it off. Just remember, every time you are, just the same with the technique when you do liquid and powder, you clean your brush, your bristle first before you are submerging your brush into the monomer. So same concept like here. And I'm using just a little bit of the crystal clears, not much. Oh, yours is cute. What is your color you doing? You doing feeling blue?
Yes.
And
feeling
then
blue and neon green.
Neon,
thinking green neon.
Thinking green. Yes, I know that. Thinking green. A neon, a green? Is it green?
Yes, thinking green neon.
There you go. Dom, that's your favorite color. What is your favorite color, Mika? I know the green is.
Mine is the passionate.
Passionate. Purple. Hold on. No, pink. Yes. I thought it's yours red.
My favorite color is red, but in the fusion ink, I really love the passionate.
That is awesome. So nice and bright though.
Yes, it is.
All right, so you see that how cool this is already. You can go so many. You can like do so many different veins. Like if you don't want this vein, you can just really little remove it. You can definitely adjust the way you want it. You are an artist. You can do however you want. And also with the clients, but then give the clients a little bit of a heads up, like they want exactly the same identical. Like for instance, if they are going to your salon and then have the request like, oh, I want this one to be exactly the same picture, you're gonna advise them that you can do it closest as possible, but it's not gonna be identical because as it's fusioning, so it might be slightly a little bit different, but it's still gonna be the same theme that they want. So then they won't be like, oh my gosh, I want this vein like this, but then I don't like it, you know, I hated it. So you want to make sure you are communicate with your clients right, so then that way you don't get the last minutes of really upset clients or not going to pay you. It's not going to be fun. So
Hey Candy, so this is we using the fusion name from Glitz. You can get all of them from glitzandsuch.com, and we do have sale going on right now. So if you want some, grab some now.
That's right. Check out our summer sale. It's active right now, you guys.
So now if you're happy with this, you can definitely go with the gel painting, and if you don't want to, you can definitely go in with a chamfer foil. I'm gonna get my gel painting. You get the gold gel painting. Oh, it's so fancy, Mika. Mika, can you zoom a little bit? Zoom in a little bit.
I can try.
Press on the screen. For all of you, move on the top right, so then we can see it. So for all of you who don't want to see the comments, here's a tip and trick. You tap in the comment on the top of the comments, and then you pull it down, so you only see 2 comments only, so you can see both of the screen at the same time. Just for your preference. And
Is that better?
yeah, move on the top right. Too big. You gone already. I mean, your nails is gone.
Yeah, there you go.
Zoom in a little bit. Oh,
that's good.
Zoom out.
So just bring it right there. There you go.
Yeah.
So keep
Perfect.
Your hand right there. Perfect.
all right. So I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna show you. If the clients just want, like I have clients just don't want anything else, just top coat, good to go. I have clients that want to get a little bit hints of the veinings golden. So if you don't have a golden touch on the gel bottles, gel painting in the pot, you definitely can use this. Is bestie. You can use this for any details painting, and also you can use it for as skinny French. So I'm gonna give it a little bit touch of a gold. Just wiggle it to make it looks like a natural. You don't have to do is like straight line. And of course, every single nails might be the same theme like this, but it's not gonna be the same veins. The same thing when you look at the tile at your any tile at the countertop in your house or anywhere that you're seeing, you can see they are not identical. They're all detailed different. So I'm gonna add it just a little bit because it's a fusioning is set, so I'm gonna add it on. All right. So happy with this. We're going to is flash key it for 30 seconds. Thank you so much, everyone. Hi, Jenny. Hello, Emma. Hi, Julia. Hi. Thank you, Dom. Hello, everyone. If I don't say hi, hello, happy Monday.
Hello, everyone.
We just focus on it to bringing the best content to you. So excited. And then now, before with this foil application, I'm loving it. I remember I used this one before, not too long ago, and then I see Mika did this beautiful ladies on her. So I'm really like inspired that, and I said either you can do, let me show you first before I add any.
Yes, that box.
Look,
I love
you
it.
can look at this. You can do like a flowers here, or I'm thinking of really a sweet cupcake right here. You know, you can do cupcake. Then it's gonna cover my veins though.
Just some flowers, so you still have the vein in the back.
Huh?
Some nice and bright flowers.
Maybe I should do crystal placement on this one.
That too.
And
That
the
would
next
be so
one I will do, I'm gonna use this. How about that?
Yes.
Ah.
I already trimmed a piece of one of my favorite foils from out of that box. And I will be using this flower section on my next nail placement.
Oh, so awesome.
And for those
From the
who-
same box.
Same box.
Yep. So
Yes.
that's box number 92.
Think alike.
Great minds always do.
Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna do, I don't know, is Mika, are you doing a chanfa foil? No,
not on
next
this
one.
nail.
Okay.
Yeah, my next
I
one.
thought you were gonna do it, so I'm gonna do exact the same with you. Just kidding.